Welcome to another set of foot tapping exercises. The present times are extremely challenging, and it's a matter of us adapting to the new normal. Home is a space that affords comfort and safety. Why not use the space for optimum benefits then? Floor exercises without any equipment is very effective. The ones you see here are performed on a grid, that is, squares drawn on the ground. So all we need is our tracks, shoes, a smile, and the will to do what's beneficial for our health. Isn't it wonderful that our health is in our own hands, feet and mind? So, watch the video closely and start to hop and jump in the sequence seen here. Enjoy!